This is my wet bar that is in a room that we call the brick room because the floor is brick. Very creative, I know. I've been working on this area for, I'd say, months. I'm not a very fast worker. I don't know what I'm doing most of the time. I've done the bottom part of this. I've removed the cabinet doors. I'm leaving these doors as is. I think these are really pretty. This is laminate here, and this is kind of a yellowish paint, and it's not great. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to paint this or wallpaper it, and I found this on Amazon. It looks like a backsplash. It's got a kind of a 3D feature to it. It looks really realistic, so we're gonna give this a try. When I did the bottom of the cabinets, I found it to be pretty easy. So I'm hoping this will be the same level of easy. We're about to see. We're about to see how it goes. I'm not the best at home renovations. I don't know the right or wrong way to do this. So no comments about, okay, you can comment about how bad I am at this. Give me tips, that's fine. Change my mind, you're allowed to do it. What I found to be the easiest way to get it to not keep trying to curl is to roll it backwards. That's what I found when I did the bottom cabinets. It really was the best thing. This is a really thick, good quality wallpaper, AKA Backsplash, fake Backsplash. Oh, that's lovely. That is lovely and very easy to do. The reason I cut it off into strips is because I have found it to be much, much easier to work with smaller pieces. I just line it up really good after I've done it. And the reason I use this to get, I'm using this to get the creases out. I don't like the feel of going over this. In this case, it's just an old paint rag to get the creases out. To get the bubbles out. It actually makes it a lot easier for me personally. One of the problems I had when I did the bottom part was that when they overlapped, I couldn't lift it up and reposition it. It would tear everything. And so some of my overlapped pieces on the bottom part are not perfect because of that, because I couldn't lift it up. This, I just lifted up, no problem whatsoever. You can't even see the seams. Maybe right here. Yeah, right here. But look at how seamless it is. I cannot believe how good that looks. And maybe it's gonna pick up different on the camera, but from where I'm standing, you can't tell that this is two different pieces. Right here is where the nail hole was. I'll fix that later, but I am blown away by how easy that was and how good it looks. Now I'm just gonna, I'll cut this part off here. I don't know, maybe I'll leave it. I don't know what I'll do there. And I've got to put some more over here on this side. You know, it's gonna take me a little while to finish it up. That looks amazing. I cannot believe how good this looks. I'm just shocked with the ease of it. This was so much easier than what I used to do the bottom part, and it looks great. It looks very 3D backsplash tile-y from where I'm standing. I hope the camera picks up how great this looks. I'm living in a really old house. It was built in the 60s. It's had additions put on, so over time, I'm redoing parts of it, and I don't work one room at a time. I've got 2 or 3 rooms going at once because if I get bored of an area, I move on to another one. Nothing drastic. It's just me doing a little bit of work to it. So if you're interested in things like that or any kind of reviews, you'll want to subscribe to my channel because I just do whatever I feel like doing each day. If you're thinking about getting some kind of wallpaper, let me know what room you're working on. And I'd love to see pictures of what you're doing. See you real soon.